You see, it's very nice, soft. It doesn't stick inside your palm. You see, very nice, very nice. I'm fancy, so when I see good kenkey, I know what good kenkey is. So if I'm in Birmingham and you don't know KENKEY House, today the salvation has come to you. Go get yourself some kenkey, from KENKEY House. It is what it is. I see. Oh my God! What what's up? Oh, I call you. Okay. Are they fine? Are they? So this is Birmingham, and I'm told that there's a location, a joint called KENKEY House, and they sell kenkey. Any. Here's the one, two channel. Mama. Hello. Yeah, this KENKEY House, and as you can see, it's a community room. Man, everything is sorted. Wow. You can like what's it? The room of DOKUNO. Yeah. Wow. Mama. Hello.
Hey. Me make camera. Cooking over here.
KENKEY House. KENKEY House. Rah. My personal. Cover. I saw it. Mama fish with me. What you fish about here saying? 250. Oh, okay. So I believe those in Birmingham knows this lady or this place, KENKEY House.
Oh, wow. And I'm in your mom and then I walk. It's in front of my power.
Hello, brothers, sisters. Yeah, so this is Birmingham KENKEY joint. Yeah, I mean Birmingham, and man, he sponsored this show. So this is KENKEY, and this is fish with some black pepper and normal pepper, hot sauce or hot pepper. Don't put that away. So me, this is how I do it. I don't eat inside the leaves because right now I want the occasion inside anyway. So this is the first bulletin. The bulletin for the chopper bowl is ongoing. Yeah. So this kenkey is normally a corn flour food. So you mix the corn flour with water. You can leave it for 3 days to ferment, or the following day. Then you do the stirring. Then you wrap it with the leaves. Then you boil it for like 3 or 4 hours. Then you have this. You also have fish, and you can serve or you can eat with hot pepper and fish, or stew or soup. Yeah, this is a Ghanaian food. So it's soft kama. It's very soft, and like the tendency is okay. You see, it's not breaking. We have some kenkey here. As soon as you squeeze, everything will be falling apart. This is very nice, nicely done. Yeah. And this food too, you can't chew this food. You swallow. It's dope. KENKEY joint or KENKEY home.
KENKEY House.
KENKEY House. In Birmingham. Yeah. Those in Birmingham knows this place, I believe. So the 2 KENKEY cost £250, and this fish is £3. The fish is £3. The shito is £1 per. Yeah, it's £1.
Free.
Free. Okay, so the hot pepper sauce is free, but you pay for the black pepper, which is £1, the same size as this, but this one is free. Like the red pepper is free, but the black pepper you pay for it, which is £1. So if I'm in Birmingham and I don't know KENKEY House, The address will be in the later part of the video. Check it out and call them and go and order yours. The KK is nice. It's very soft and yeah. Yeah, so if you want to try this Ghanaian food and you're in Birmingham, go to Bearwood Street.
Yeah, 451 Bearwood.
Okay, so 451 Bearwood Street. Or you call the number, they will show the direction to KENKEY House. Yeah. So if you know any shop or restaurant, African restaurant, not only Ghanaian, Nigerian, South African, and you think it's worth showcasing, let me know in the comment section. Give me the address or the name of the place. Then I'll try my best to visit the place to showcase our African food. It shouldn't be only Ghanaian, okay? So you Nigerian brethren, the South Africans, the Kenyans, the Zambians, like everybody. Yeah, so if you know any restaurants in London or UK, yeah, UK, and I want me to showcase the place, let me know in the comment section. Yeah. Yeah, I'm done with the KENKEY, yeah. 2 bullets of KENKEY. Record them. Everything's on point, yeah. Everything's on point. And this is original KENKEY. Where we come from. So let's do this again. For Shizm and Nizzle, Sindaco, I'm out. 1.